Need to get your suede shoes or suede sneakers cleaned up and looking their best? Today I'm going to show you my method on how I safely clean my suede shoes. So before we start, there are a couple things you're going to need. You're going to need a shoehorn, 2 soft to medium hair brushes, and a suede eraser. And I'll be sure to link these in the description below for you. So the first thing you want to do when you start cleaning your shoes is to make sure that you remove any laces if they have laces, and insert a shoe tree into the shoe. This will keep its form while we're working on the shoe. Next, we'll take one of our soft brushes with soft to medium pressure and just brush out any loose dirt on the suede. Next, using our suede eraser, we'll go ahead and go over the entire shoe, again using really soft to medium pressure. Suede erasers can pull out the color of suede, so you want to be careful doing this. But we'll just go over the entire shoe. Once we've gone over the whole shoe with the suede eraser, we'll take a really clean, soft brush and brush out any of the eraser left in the suede. And there you have it, clean suede loafer. The only thing that I'd add is I don't recommend using any water or liquid cleaners unless absolutely necessary. Now for cleaning our suede sneaker, it's almost the exact same process. You want to remove any laces if they have laces, and make sure you have a shoe tree in there so it keeps its form while we work on the shoe. Again, we'll start with brushing off any excess dirt, then going around the entire shoe with our shoe eraser. Then with the clean brush, brushing off any excess shoe eraser. The only difference is, after we're done brushing off the shoe, we'll take a towel with either water or a sole cleaner, and we'll carefully go around and clean off the sole. We want to be extra careful not to get any liquid on the suede. And there we have it, our clean suede sneakers. So, with just a little bit of care, you too can keep your suede looking nice and clean. For more videos about men's fashion and elevating your style to its true form, subscribe below. Ciao.